The second method is using session. There are basically two requirements in setting a session. The first one is to start the session, and the second requirement is to set the data. This has to be in key value pair. So we need to start the session in both pages. Assuming you are moving from page 1 to page 2. So we need to start session using the keyword session start in both pages. And here we can set the value for the data. You can have something like this, $_session, and you have the key of the data, and this value will be set to the session. And in the next screen, you can retrieve the value of your session. So you have value is same thing as $_session with the key. So with this, you can transfer data from page 1 to page 2. So let's try this on the browser. So we need to start the session. So here you have session _start, and you can now set a variable. Assuming you have the value to be 10. So here we'll not be using the query string again. So you have something like this. So you're just navigating to page 2. So we need to set the value of session. Let us use a key of data, the same thing as $value. So we are done for this page, and on page 2 we need to start the session also. So it's a PHP code. Let's close the tag here. So you have session start. Okay, and here instead of using get, we have session. So, and the key is data, so we have the same key. So we want to output the data here. So let's check our browser. So you are moving from page 1. So this is page 1. And we are moving to page 2. So you can see the data is 10. So change the data. Let's change it to 20. So let's move from page 1. We need to refresh and move to page 2. You can see the data is 20. So with this, you can pass data from a page to the other.